Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself and not troubling mama and papa. Children, today our topic is good habits. So this is in your general awareness book and page number 58. Now before going to start this topic, mention date on top. So today is 24 month of August, so 8 and year is 2021. Now what is good habit? Good habit, it is a behavior that good for your physical and mental health. अच्छी आदतों को हम good habits कहते हैं. So what is good habits? It is a behavior that good for our physical and mental health. Now, I am well mannered. I have good habits. Yes, you all are well mannered and you all have good habits. I avoid. So, what we have to avoid, that we will learn here. So, look at the first picture. This girl is crying. So, children, crying unnecessarily is bad habit. If you have any problem or if you want something, you can tell your mama and papa. But crying unnecessarily is not good. So we should not cry. Now come to the next picture. This girl wants to play with this boy. But this boy is not sharing his ball with this girl. So, children, you remember I taught you that sharing is caring. We always share our things with others. So, always share things with others. This girl is upset because she wants to play with this boy and this boy is not sharing his ball with this girl. Now, children, move to the next picture. See, this boy is not turning off the tap. So, we always turn off the tap when not in use. So, water is very important in our life. Yes, children, we need water to drink. We need water for cooking. So, always remember to turn off the tap when you not in use or after use, turn off the tap. This boy is forgot to turn off the tap and now he is wasting the water. So children, see this picture. This boy is eating an ice cream and he throws this wrapper here in the park. But children, tell me where we should throw this wrapper? In dustbin. Yes, but this boy is not keeping his surrounding clean. So children, we should always keep our surrounding clean and always throw the garbage and wrappers in dustbin. This is very bad habit that you throw the wrappers here and there and not throwing in the dustbin. So children, see the next picture. This girl is crossing road alone. Children, you remember I taught you that you should not cross road alone. You always be with your mama and papa or any elder person. It is not safe to cross road alone. So remember, always be with your parents or any other elder person. Look at this picture, children. These girls are fighting. But लड़ना तो अच्छी बात नहीं होती है. हमें कभी भी किसी के साथ नहीं लड़ना चाहिए. If you want something, you can ask with please. If you hurt someone, you can say sorry. But we should not fight. And if someone is fighting with you, then you should tell to your parents. But हमें लड़ाई कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी के साथ. This is bad habit. See children, next picture. These children are standing in a queue. It's a very good habit that we should always stand in a queue. But this boy is troubling this boy. This is very bad habit. Whenever we are standing in a queue, we should wait for our turn. We should not trouble any other person and we should not push anyone. We should wait for our turn patiently and stand in a queue. Now children, these are the bad habits and you should avoid these habits. Now move on to page number 59 and this is your homework. And what is that? Tick the things that you like to do. Now let me explain you these pictures and you have to tick the things which you like to do. So first picture is this girl is drawing or painting on wall and this boy is painting on board. So which one is right? So you have to tick. Now this girl is using dustbin and this boy is throwing the garbage or wrapper on the garden. So which one is you like to do? You have to tick. Now come to the next picture. This girl and boy is playing together. They are sharing the things and this boy is shouting and saying give me. So which one is good? You will tick that one. Now this girl is saying please. So what do you think? Which one is good? Saying please and shouting. So you have to tick that. Now see the picture. This girl is crying in the supermarket and this girl is with her mama. So which one is you like to do? You want to cry in the supermarket and if you want something you can tell your mama and papa. Now when this girl is seeing the girl, she is saying thank you and this boy snatching the thing and running. So which one you like to do? You have to tick here. Now this boy is troubling this boy and we should not make fun of others. This is very bad habit. And this girl is crossing road with mama. This girl is crossing road with mama. So and this girl is crossing road alone. So children, this is your homework. You have to complete this homework and send it to me. Bye bye. Take care.